Welcome to Finance Essentials 2026. In this session, we'll cover practical financial management techniques you can apply right away, from modern forecasting tools to ethical controls and rapid KPI-driven corrective actions. Think of this as a compact playbook to improve cash flow visibility, reduce waste, and build disciplined budgeting habits that protect margins and unlock strategic investments. In competitive markets, the leaders adopt future-ready tools like AI dashboards that flag cash gaps early, ESG metrics that unlock green financing, and blockchain invoices that curb payment fraud. On the flip side, laggards cling to obsolete spreadsheets and manual audits, which bleed money. The takeaway is clear. Modern tooling creates a strategic edge, while legacy methods produce a persistent financial drain. Microplanning aligns spending to value by breaking work into deliverable-based milestones, tagging each piece with price estimates, separating fixed and variable costs, and applying phased contingency checkpoints. This disciplined approach prevents scope creep, improves transparency around resource allocation, clarifies cost structure, and secures decision points so sponsors can approve or stop work with confidence before budgets spiral. Move from hunches to a living budget by refreshing forecasts on a rolling, bi-weekly cadence, converting assumptions into data-driven projections, and using earned value metrics like CPI and SPI to detect drift early. When an area underperforms, proactively reallocate resources to higher priority work. The result is a learning budget that adapts quickly without lengthy approvals. Preserving agility and margin protection. Focus on 4 quick KPIs to drive corrective action. Cost variance to spot budget deviations. Cost performance index to measure efficiency. Cash burn per deliverable to monitor solvency. And days cash on hand to show runway. Pair each metric with thresholds so anomalies surface fast and teams can take corrective steps within 24 hours instead of waiting for a lengthy report cycle. Ethical controls and risk mitigation start with fraud prevention. Transparent logs, dual signatures, and conflict of interest declarations to stop issues before they start. Layer on external shock defenses like ESG and FX sensitivity checks to protect reputation and currency exposure. Strong ethical governance not only reduces scandal risk but also lowers costs and preserves investor confidence over the long term. Build hardwired financial reflexes through 10-minute daily drills covering cash flow language, NPV shortcuts, and variance math, so team members internalize key concepts. Pair short practice sessions with spaced repetition and micro-learning to turn hesitant staff into confident budget owners who routinely ask the right questions before approving spend, driving proactive financial stewardship across the organization. The implementation timeline is a sprint. Week 1, map current KPIs and baselines. Week 2, install a rolling forecast template and streamline inputs. Week 3, train the team with micromodules. And weeks 4 to 12, iterate, cut waste, document wins, and prove ROI. This sequence delivers visible savings fast, builds momentum, and demonstrates the value of upskilling within the first quarter. In summary, speak cash flow and forecasts early. Track 4 vital signs: revenue growth, profit margins, liquidity, and operational efficiency on a quarterly cadence, and guard ethics through continuous micro-learning. Commit to one concrete improvement this week, whether adding contingency buffers or refreshing CPI dashboards, and you'll move from being an expense approver to a strategic value creator who protects margins and drives sustainable growth.